This video shows the assembly of a V38 system. Such a V38 system typically consists of a lens, a focusing mount, in this case it's the Unifoc 12, one or more extension tubes, and a camera adapter. So why is it called V38? Because the mount looks a little bit like a V, and the diameter of this mount is 38 millimeters. For the assembly of such a system, you just need one tool, small and simple screwdriver. Each lens is delivered with such a screwdriver. The components are quite simply connected. Just put them together, and on the second component there are 3 set screws. Just simply fix these 3 set screws. 1, 2, and 3. And 2 components are connected with each other. So in the next step you can add the extension tube. In this case it's a 25 millimeter extension tube. We offer extension tubes starting from 6 millimeter up to 75 millimeter for the longest version. And at last we add a camera adapter. In this case it's an M42 adapter, but we also offer adapters for C-mount or for TFL mount, as well as also some others. So this is the final screw that need to be fixed. Here we are. And that's the complete assembled V38 system.